kazi nimemaliza. Nitume tena niende na Tanzania, niwape mausia. CCM alianzisha Nyerere, sasa imeseka. Sera zake zimeharibu nchi na ujamaa ulishindwa kabisa. Siwarudishe madarakani kabisa. Siwarudishe madarakani kabisa.
It is why I have come to tell you, those who are trying to say Tanzania are coward on this, I'm already mentioned to you what we don't want is that.
Okay.
Example is the European Economic Cooperation or European Unity. They told some people. Now I tell Ugandans to join the Cooperation East Africa Community. Let them finish Northern War. Like my friend himself, instead of finish tribalism, is he bringing his wife to become minister.
But Museveni was in Tanzania and he learned politics in Tanzania. Then that's your product.
Museveni was in Tanzania. He learned politics in Tanzania. He went to university. He was somehow failure. He went back to the country. Now, what he's doing there is not me. Even some people learned in Britain. When they came here, they became dictator. It's not British. It is himself. Now I defend East Africa. Don't accept to join Museveni, because there is very good war there. War of 7,000 people in the bush is not a joking war. And they have got a lot of supply. They are surviving. They are very smart. Even last time when the United Nations and the Ugandans went there, met them to discuss, they were even surprised. Whiskey was there, toilet paper was there, everything was good for them. Now how can you join somebody who has got a very strong opponent of that age? We tell them, as the British and as the European community told those in Holland and where, please do this and do this. When you finish that, please come join us. Now we say Museveni, let him finish his dictatorship and finish war on Northern, then he come to join the community. As well as Kagame, let him remove his force in Congo, then we join the community. As well as the Burundi, let them sit down, FNLA and Palemuhutu, finish their problem, then we join the community. If Kenya wants to join the community and that way, let them do out of what.
But in Uganda, some problems there, they can be blamed on Tanzania, because the Tanzanians are the ones who fought Amini and remove him from power, trying to bring a friend of Nyerere, Obote, in Uganda. So the problems which are in Uganda, you contributed.
Baganda monarchism themselves contributed it to remove Obote. Themselves. Then from there, tell me Oplo Kagwa, professor, who killed him. So many, even this Kaira, so many was killed by government of Uganda. And who was welcomed in Amini when he came to power? Baganda. Who started to kill Baganda? Is Amini. Who is crying for?
But Nyerere told us he is fighting in Uganda to liberate Uganda and to make Uganda a peaceful country. And until now, Nyerere is dead and Uganda is not a peaceful. Then Nyerere failed to take Tanzania into that war.
To fail of Nyerere is not Nyerere failure. Teacher, when he teach you, and you miss it to use his tactics hard or taught you use your own way, you will fail. And you fail more than fail. Even if Obote did not, Tanzania could not enter to Uganda. The same, they were killing each other. Kabaka ran from Uganda to outside when Obote was there.
You remember what the war in Uganda made us Tanzanians be? We don't have soap, we don't have sugar in the shops, just because Nyerere was saying we want to liberate Uganda and Uganda will be
but
peaceful.
remember,
And it's not peaceful.
we were
Then we lost our people, we lost the money, we lost our energy to do something which Nyerere was doing for his friends.
Now, you wanted Tanzania to be under somebody else. Never. Crook never. Oregon never. So that we can be always in fear. Kenya was your enemy. Again, Uganda to become our enemy. Where shall we be?
You mean Kenya was your enemy?
Yes, because when we say Uganda is bringing the problem, Kenya says that we shall help Uganda whatever. And why? Remember behind it there, when Kenya got independence, where problems started. When Kenya got independence, discussion in Lancaster House, British say that I'm going to compensate East Africa money to Sultan of Zanzibar. So, port of Mombasa can be port of East Africa used to pay local currency. There is where foundation of misunderstanding of Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda came from. There is where, when Obote was sacked from Uganda government by Amini, where Kenya was happy. And all wealth of Uganda was taken to Kenya. Everybody knows it. And they are very, very happy. Even when Amini was sacked by Tanzania from Uganda, Kenya was very happy because everything was brought here. Those who were here knew. Not to hide. Things is open. And war, which made you...
Nitume tena niende na Tanzania, niwape mausia. CCM alianzisha Nyerere, sasa imeseka. Sera zake zimeharibu nchi na ujamaa ulishindwa kabisa, siwarudishe madarakani kabisa. Siwarudishe madarakani kabisa.